Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the third lesson of economics, poverty as a challenge. In this lesson, we will study about the number of people who are poor in our country. About 27 crore people are poor, and we can see around us like some people, some boy, girl, they collect the useful things from the garbage, and after collecting them they sell to the people who purchase that all things, and they get some money. Also we can see some beggars, some boys, small children who works on tea shop, dhabas, they clean the table. This type of people, they belong to poor. They are poor. They are not able to fulfill their requirement. They can not able to fulfill their all requirement of daily uses also, even the meal of 2 times. Here we are going to study what are the steps taken by the government to reduce poverty in our country. What are the method of government to reduce the poverty, and who are the people below poverty line. Here one case study, urban case study is given. At first we will study urban case, then we will study the rural case. Here one person is of 33 years old. His name is Ram Saran. He is working as a labor in wheat mill, and he is getting 1,500 rupees per month. And then he has total 6 members in his family. 4 children are there. 4 children are there, and he and his wife, total 6 members are there. His wife also works as a maid servant. The area where they are living, in that area, she is doing the work of maid servant in many houses, and she managed to earn 800 rupees per month. And also his elder son, he is not going to school. He is also working on tea shop, and he is earning 300 rupees. In this way, they all are trying to submit their requirement by earning money. And the condition of the family is only hardly they are able to manage 2 time meal, and only one cloth they wear. If that cloth tear, then only they purchase the other cloth, and wearing shoes is luxury for them. Means the condition is very worst. In this way, this type of condition is everywhere in our country. With the help of this example, it is tried to explain the condition of the people who are living in our country, who are very poor. Now the second case study is about rural area. Other example is given from the rural area. In rural area, Lakha Singh is there. He lives in small village in Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. He works in a big farmer's farm, and his family, his wife, spend the time in collecting fodder for their animal, chopping fodder from here and there, and then also she collects wood for fire to cook the food at their home. And his father was TB patient. He passed away before 2 years because he was not able to do his treatment properly, and after that his mother is also suffering from the same disease. There is a primary school in the area where Lakha is there, but he never went to school because when he was 10 years old, from then he was working here and there for his livelihood. The same condition is there everywhere in India, in every village in India. Many families are there whose members are working like this. They are spending lot of time in collecting fodder for their animal here and there because they are landless. Like Lakha is also landless. That is why they do not have the land to cultivate, and they are doing odd work. Sometimes they do not get the work in big farmers' farm also. At that time they work at the houses where painting or some other works like construction work. They help in construction work to earn money. This type of situation is there everywhere in our country.